If your homemade pizza keeps coming out with a pale base, uneven crust, or that slightly doughy in the middle problem that ruins the whole experience, you're not alone. Most home ovens simply don't transfer heat in a way that mimics a real pizza oven, and that's exactly where most baking stones either help a little or not enough. The Rocksheat Large Pizza Stone is designed to bridge that gap and give you a more consistent, crispier result without upgrading your entire kitchen setup. So this is the Rocksheat 16 by 14-inch rectangular pizza stone, built for home cooks who want more control over their pizza, bread, and baked goods without dealing with complicated equipment. It's aimed at anyone who enjoys making pizza at home, whether you're cooking for family nights, experimenting with sourdough, or just trying to upgrade frozen pizza into something better. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, what stands out is the shape and structure. The rectangular design actually gives you more usable space than traditional round stones, especially when you're baking larger pizzas or multiple smaller items at once. The built-in handles are also a subtle but meaningful detail because they make it easier to move and position the stone without awkward lifting tools. It feels solid in the hand, but not overly heavy to the point where it becomes inconvenient to use. The material itself feels dense and purpose-built for heat retention. Once it goes into the oven or grill, it's designed to hold and distribute heat evenly across the surface instead of creating hot and cold spots. That consistency matters more than people realize, because uneven heat is usually what leads to half-burnt, half-soft pizza crusts. The stone also feels like it's built to handle high temperatures repeatedly, which gives it a more long-term, durable feel compared to thinner or cheaper alternatives. In real cooking use, the difference becomes noticeable after the first few tries. Once properly preheated, the stone creates a much firmer and crispier base compared to a standard baking tray. Pizza cooks more evenly from edge to center, and you get that familiar golden crust that feels closer to restaurant-style results. It also works surprisingly well for bread and biscuits, where the even heat helps create a more structured texture instead of soft or uneven baking. One thing worth mentioning is that it does require proper preheating to perform at its best. Like most pizza stones, rushing the process will reduce results, so it's something you plan around rather than use spontaneously. Once it's fully heated, though, it maintains temperature very consistently, which is where most of the improvement comes from in actual cooking. Cleaning is fairly straightforward. You don't use soap or harsh scrubbing, and instead just let it cool and remove any residue. Over time, it will naturally develop stains and darkening, which is completely normal for baking stones and doesn't affect performance at all. In fact, that seasoning-like effect is often a sign that it's being used properly. Now, it's important to keep expectations realistic. This won't turn a basic home oven into a professional brick pizza oven overnight. You still need good dough, proper heat, and a bit of timing. But what it does do is significantly improve the foundation of your bake, which is often the weakest part of home pizza making. Compared to cheaper pizza stones, the Rocksheat model stands out mainly because of its durability and heat distribution consistency. Some lower-cost stones tend to crack under high heat or develop uneven hot spots over time. On the other hand, premium pizza steels offer faster heat transfer, but at a higher price and with a different learning curve. This stone sits comfortably in the middle, offering reliable performance without overcomplicating the process. Overall, the Rocksheat Pizza Stone feels like a practical upgrade for anyone who wants better homemade pizza without jumping into expensive equipment. It's simple, durable, and effective in a way that improves results without changing how you cook too much. If you've been frustrated with inconsistent pizza results at home, this is one of those tools that quietly fixes the foundation. Check the link in the description for pricing and details. And if this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.